Hi guys, it's Dana Haysberg, vision strategist and business coach, and I'm super excited to share with you the 4 pillars of profitability email course. Why did I create this course? This course was created because I have observed that many small business owners are super busy running businesses that are making losses. You are running a non-profitable business. Why does this happen? Because there are 4 key elements upon which a successful business is built, a profitable business is built. And for a lot of small business owners, the enthusiasm for starting the business and sometimes even the urgency of starting the business resulted in you bypassing key elements of these 4 pillars. Now you are running a business at a loss. Now you are running a business at inconsistent sales. Now you are wondering if you should have started this business in the first place. This 4 pillars course is going to give you information to firstly assess where you are with your business. Secondly, it's going to give you information that I know will help you in establishing these 4 pillars in your own business. Why should you listen to me? Well, I've been in business since 2012. And in each of my businesses, I have been able to grow it and maintain profitability throughout the lifetime of the business using these 4 pillars. I'm not sharing with you something that I don't do. I'm sharing with you the process that enables you to build a strong business. Now, I said this in the before and I'll say it again. The 4 pillars is not for the person who is looking for the hustle, who just wants the immediate money and is not thinking about building a long-lasting business. The 4 pillars is for the business owner who wants to leave a legacy, who wants a business that will sustain them in the long haul and leave something for their family. So I hope that this course will be something that you will apply to your business, and I look forward to hearing from you on how it was able to help you examine where you are and set a different pathway for your future.